Well, we've just been out and about fishing hard for this fishing competition, and we've had a motor down on us. And we've tried a few things, but ultimately just come down to this probably 50-cent fuse. So one of your last things is we had no power tilt and trim and no wouldn't turn over. So we've got a flat battery as well, unfortunately, on that motor, trying to get it going. But always check on your motor. You'll have a little fuse holder, and luckily we had a spare fuse in the fuse holder. So yeah, you don't know how happy we are that we've got two motors now. So here we are with these little Yamaha 4-stroke, but this is the fuse holder on the side, 20 amp fuse. So just something as simple as that was enough to shut us down, and you can see the fuse there. So always keep that in the back of your mind if you've got power problems. Could be just as simple as a little fuse. Alright, we're back in action.